Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. So what we're doing today is something, okay, let's get some kind of momentum going here. I am not much of a breakfast person. I don't enjoy cooked breakfasts. My dad loves them, and if he makes them, I'll eat them. Or if anyone makes me a cooked breakfast, I'll have one. But I don't like them. I'm not a big breakfast person. I like a bowl of fresh fruit. I like maybe some scrambled eggs, maybe a boiled egg, but I'm big into smoothies. I don't like having a big meal in the morning, but I know I've got to eat something, so I have a smoothie. And what I'm doing today is making Powerpuff Girl smoothies. So I'm going to make a pink smoothie, a blue smoothie, and a green smoothie. And they're all going to be really simple, really easy, and really tasty. The first smoothie I am going to make is the buttercup smoothie, just because that's what I've got prepared. I don't know why I started with the green. I should have done like pink, blue, green, but we're starting with buttercup. So what we are using in our buttercup smoothie, kale, cucumber, pineapple, that's it, that's the base of it, is kale, cucumber, and pineapple. Then I've got my yogurt, and the kinds of milk and juices I will be using in all smoothies is fresh squeezed pineapple juice. It is just pineapple juice, there's no additives, nothing extra in it, it's just pineapple juice. Some almond milk and some coconut milk. Yum, delicious, so good. That's all we need for this smoothie. It's simple, I'm not throwing protein powder in it, it's just a smoothie and it should be good and delicious. So let's get on to making our buttercup smoothie. And yes, we will be using pineapple juice, almond milk, and coconut milk in all three smoothies today. That's it. And also yogurt. I like to use plain full fat yogurt. The one I've got today is medium fat, but that's just because that's what we have in the fridge, so that's what we're using. Let's make the buttercup smoothie. So we throw in our kale. Whoa, there was a lot of water in there because I cleaned them. Our cucumber and our pineapple. Whoops. This is going to be a huge smoothie. Then you throw in your yogurt, some coconut milk, some almond milk, and our pineapple juice. Chuck on that lid and let's get zizzing. Bam, bam, done. So easy. I love smoothies. And then I have console jars. Well, you know, mason jars essentially. I have mason jars worth of smoothie every morning. Let's not be dumb. Let's make things a little bit easier for you, for me. Boom. There it is. Our first smoothie. Buttercup green smoothie. I'm gonna taste them all at the end. That one smells a lot like kale. There was a lot of kale in there. All right, next one. All right, so for the blossom smoothie, it's just gonna be strawberries. Just a simple strawberry smoothie. No bananas, nothing. I should have maybe gotten bananas to throw in it, but yeah. The wonderful thing about smoothies is a wonderful thing. You can throw whatever you want in them and hopefully they taste good and then you love them and they're delicious. That's why I love smoothies. And I like strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite berries. Strawberries, cherries, raspberries, and blackberries. Those would be my favorite berries, I'd say. Let's make our blossom smoothie. Throw in your strawberries. Whoa. Throw in your yogurt. Boom. Throw in your coconut milk's almost finished. Your coconut milk. Your almond milk, and your pineapple juice. The reason I'm using this pineapple juice is it's actually really hard to find freshly pressed plain juice with nothing else in it, and this pineapple juice is just that, and I like it, so yeah. I don't like using normal box juices or any normal juices because there is so much added sugar in them, and we don't need that. Bang, bang, strawberry down there, that's just not having it. Bang, bang, fun fact, I usually make my smoothies with a blitzer in my mason jars. Bang, bang, did you get it? Did you get it? Good little blender, you got it. So let's pour that into our second mason jar. Whoa, it's chunky. Delicious. I should have put some more liquids in there, but I didn't. It's a mess, I'm gonna clean it up, but there is our blossom smoothie. All right, and the last one is bubbles. Let's get to it. Okay, and our last one for bubbles is a blueberry smoothie. Yum. So again, Just throw all of our ingredients in. Blueberries, your yogurt, the last of my coconut milk, your almond milk, and your pineapple juice. Ready to blitz, let's blitz. I'm checking if I can cheat with this one. Good God, that looks awful. Let's throw some more yogurt in there. More almond milk. It's more like a bunny instead of a bubbles. Does anyone remember bunny? It's a very, very dark bluey purple color right now. And I'm trying to make it not so bluey purple, but I also don't want to mess with the flavor of it too much. So we're gonna say it's the Powerpuff Girls. That didn't work out according to plan, but it's fine. So this is our bubbles smoothie. It's got blueberries, it counts. Let's pour that into our last mason jar. Ew, it looks kind of grey. Oh no. And there you have it, kind of. Our 3 little Powerpuff Girl smoothies. Whoops. I mean, they don't look so bad. I like them. Alright, so there they are, our 3 Powerpuff Girl smoothies. Buttercup, Blossom, and Bubbles or Bunny, as you wish to name it. It is what it is. There's always something that doesn't go according to plan. Now, I want to taste them, but I have red lipstick on. Well, luckily I can taste the buttercup one. Out of the way! Hi. Alright, so let's have a quick taste of our kale, cucumber, and pineapple. I have so much stuff on my lips. It's okay. It's not my favorite because it's so bitsy, because the kale. But it's really not that bad. It's very refreshing. Let's try the blossom one. I like this one, it's cute. Yum. It's tart and delicious. Just the way I like my smoothies. I like them tart. I don't like the sweet things so much. This one's got a lot of yogurt in it because I tried to fix the color. But it's still not bad, I like it. Alright, but cool, that was that. So it's 3 pretty tasty smoothies. I like them all. I generally make a mixed berry smoothie for myself in the mornings. It's just tasty, delicious, and good. And I just buy a pack of frozen mixed berries and throw that in with all these same ingredients and make my daily smoothie. That's my favorite smoothie. Alright, cool. But that's that. My Powerpuff Girl smoothies with Bunny / Bubbles. Who knows what she really is. She's still tasty. They all taste good. I like them. That's that for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bam, bam, ba-dee-dee-dee.